Hey guys, morning, morning everyone. How are you guys? Hope everybody doing great. Yeah, today seems like a choppy day. Let's look at the so fastly still it's above that 75, so not a, it's kind of hanging around in this area. Um, which is great for actually like if you do credit spreads like right here and right here below that, right? 58, even 60 it never touch it, so I don't know, I don't think it'd be a lot, but if you do next week I think that's pretty decent idea. I may actually do like 55, 60, and on the upside maybe 80, 85. But it does like it does move really quick, like it went from 202 to 20, so that's a $20, so you gotta be careful about it. When if it's just very strong day you can close that out, but other than that pretty much the that's fine. Pretty much we are flat up. I told a lot of people you could get into docu right around 200 for long terms, even if you got short terms. A lot of times you get in long terms and looks good, and you can actually sell it out too quick too. Facebook's looks good. I wanted to pull back to that 68 level. Yeah. So Apple Iron Condor, right? If you remember, we did like right around 105, 100, 105. So this is cause it was a good support. We did dive to 104, but barely, right? It came back again on the same day, so 10 almost 105. But if you look at that was a good support around that one. And 30 is basically absolutely 37 was, I definitely think it does it has to go through that 124, 125 first, then only we can talk about. So 30, 35 is still away. So it has been ranging in this area for a while, so that's what I did. And I'm already up like 30% in that. I had 10 contracts, that's like $300-400. So the great strategy if the market is just, and this is great, right? Apple is literally going one day 21, then next day it goes 14, then up. That way it just your theta and IV works for you. So morning, I'm in Atlanta, Mason. So um, and Apple, let's look at QQQ. QQQ is a little bit up, still in 290. uh, I feel today gonna be like up and down, kind of choppy, like probably not down, maybe have a little sell off. We had a little bit up yesterday. SPY is right at a little bit below what we were yesterday. Yeah, we had a huge rally from the literally from election day, right? Yeah, November 2, we had a huge rally from literally 29 to 60, and it has been slowed down. We did breach that, but it's kind of double top. It rejected right there. Uh, open up, yeah, we gapped up high, then so we are right at the top. So I'll be careful. Seems like it's kind of rejected yesterday, and see if it rejects. So we may kind of come down again. uh, lot of the beaten down stocks like PayPal's and all this, basically tech stocks were beaten down because of the COVID news, but they have come back. I did told yesterday, right? Datadog great, like cause yesterday we were up to 80. I got some shares at 81, so it's already up 86. That's great. So other than that, pretty much most of the stocks are pretty flat. Okay, wow, I didn't notice, but shop is 947. I think I do have some shop. I don't know if it got sold. I think I did limit sell. Another one I like is Square. It's been ranging around in this. and I may do some IC around like 50, 55, and 120. I think I do have some this week, but also I have put on. I'm doing IC on those, and okay, that's great. I'm at like 80, 85, and no, I think 85, 90, and 130, 35. So as long as it's between that tomorrow, and the premium was really, it was almost $1,000 for 5. That's a 25%, like 20%. So, hey Ashley, how are you? Ashley, you've been lost. I don't know. You've been literally lost. Yeah, I was actually like out for a week and whatnot, but yeah, yeah, it's been a while. How's everything going with you, Ashley? Zoom Baba. I do have a Zoom. No, not Zoom. I have a Baba. Sorry. Yeah, so it did sold up because of the vaccine news, but again, like vaccine, it's gonna take time, and it's just the preliminary. It has not yet approved. So a lot of times, what happens is like the overreaction, right? So when you have overreaction, you could actually like the thing is like it's a little hard to just time the bottom, but if you get that's pretty good. If you see a good sign of recovery, so it's slowly curling up, but. Yeah, there's some good support right around 15 area, I would say. Yeah, there's some 15, 15 to 18. As long as it's hold 20 above, that's pretty good. Yeah. So we are right here. So if it holds, we could see 3640 actually. Yeah, that's gonna be next. And once we do that, we're gonna see. So let's see how it goes. Let's zoom if it hold that level. And Baba. Nice. Baba is 71. Baba gapped up a little bit. That's good. I'm in Baba. That's a good thing. So, yeah, we may see a little bit up here too. So, Baba looking good. As long as it holds above that 67, 68, that's good. Probably next stop's gonna be 75. Then we have 80. So, let's see if this reaches 75 today. NIO. Well, we'll see what. No. Oh, didn't you made like 1,000 or something in one of the trade, Ashley? You should have played like Iron Condor with us. That's making. So okay. Neo. Let's yeah Neo. I don't know. Was Neo had some news? But I saw somebody mention. Yeah, it's curling up. So 44.50 plus will be good with the good volume. Yeah, earning coming up. We may get earning run up. So last time it was a little bit of surprise. So Neo did literally like great. Okay. I'm not sure. What's news? I think it's somewhere in event calendar. And I had a puts for, what do we call, XP. Nice, nice. Already in. Okay, let's see. Um, oh, that's good. That's kind of old news, I guess, Abby. See, XP has a big, I think it's curling up. Oh man, if it goes to 98, oh my god. Yeah, you actually have a big. I got in. I got in around when it was like 15 or something. I do believe it's gonna go down still. Literally, if you ask me. I can see at least 104. So if you want, you can grab like maybe spread of 110, 105 or something. But don't get weekly. Get like maybe 3 weeks out or something. So that way you have some time. And don't get like, let's say if you want to plan to get like 5 of those, get one of those and see how it goes. And you can keep adding or not, right? But I think they are not expensive. If you get like 10 5, let me see, well, it will be a little bit more expensive today probably, but excuse me. Yeah, I just had like two only. I didn't get much, but already up $100 or so. I'll probably hold it. And if you get like, let's say today is November 13, so I mean not 13 but 1 2, let's say December 27 or December 4, that's pretty decent. And if you do buy put, so just, man, that's low. So if you get like buy put this and sell put, probably gonna be a little expensive since it's more down, but it's not bad, right? So 160, it may be $200 today, so I don't know how we open, but if it's $200, you're gaining max 500. So again, right, it's, you're not taking a lot of risks. See, think about it, you're not taking a lot of risk. If it doesn't work your way, you can get out when it's like, 130, 120 or something. So you lost like $40, but you didn't lose everything. So a lot of times I see again and again you guys are like losing everything, right? Don't do that. Like max you can lose in this trade, just make it, you lose like $40. That happens, everybody lose money. So yeah, $40, about 20% or something, right? So if it goes to 120 or below, but don't, like, a lot of times the price fluctuate, just don't get sales. Look at the price, like what's your, but I still think it's this is pretty good trade. But yeah, it's your call, decide yourself, see what do you think. It's just like it went way too quick. This should be good shot right here, but yeah, I wish I had bought more. Okay, let me look into Tesla CRM. Okay, so it's kind of rejected that area. So look at that, Tesla is curling up so in this range. Yeah, it's kind of getting right here, but one thing I would say is it's actually a like grid. If you play like something like, yeah, 70, 80, yeah, 80, 70, and maybe like 85, 90, that's pretty good range spread. But right now it's just like I don't see any like downside. Yeah, maybe like 10 points if it goes, but it's been in this channel for a while. Like it's kind of making that ascending triangle, so it may break out, but it's gonna take some time. It has to break through that 60 level. So I don't see anything. And also look at that, a lot of volume is literally dying, so a lot of interest is dying here. So it needs some news or something, earnings news, something, CRM puts. Yeah, I want to do puts. Maybe puts after it breeds this 10, yeah, wherever 103, this trend line. If it breeds strongly, then you can probably like, yep, it broke the trend line. But yeah, not right now. Still in uptrend if you look at from here. And what are the CRM? I haven't looked at CRM in a while. So broke through that channel, straight downtrend, up. Now it's in downtrend. So it was a downtrend right here, broke through it, uptrend. Now it's kind of starting the downtrend again. Yeah, you could actually, if you want to short it, just make sure you tight stop loss, right? As soon as it break that trend line, get out. But you can actually, but I don't see any good pattern or base right here. Morning guys. BAC, let me look at BAC. I sold all my leaps, so I had literally 10 of my leaps. I sold it right here. I got in all over the place, some around here with this pop. I sold this. I sold a few BA leaps. I do have some BA. I still hold 2 BA. Okay, that's great. Okay. Wow. So BA trash is coming down. Well, I'm happy. I sold like 190. I sold weekly on my lead, right? I sold like 190, which gave me 1,000. So they give me I got like $2,000 credit, and it's already down, so it's probably worth 100 and $200. So I can buy back. That's $2,000 profit within like 2 days. So not gonna complain. Yeah. But I think one thing is, uh, if you want to scale in, they might have a news of FAA. If FAA news come, it will pump probably like 15 $20. They're saying like it's gonna come within this month, so nobody knows exact date, but that's high probability for that. Let me look at Facebook. Okay, let's look at Baba. I told a lot of people's. I think Cassandra, she's not here, but a lot of people got into Baba, but it's still at 71. Uh, Man, I would be so happy if it reaches 80 today. See, a lot of times I told so many people's, right? A lot of time to get in is when this reaches moving average, right? Was it 150 or 50? Almost at 150 yesterday, but it's at least 100 for sure. 100-day moving average for great company. Great, every company pulled back. It was just below 100, and so right now 100 is acting as a resistance right here, but it was a great to add for long term. I think it still has a room. Like if you, it literally dropped, we are right here, we opened up right here, so still above that support level of 268, but oh really? I haven't looked into it. Yeah, probably it's wide. But one thing is, if you do midpoint, it does execute. So I can show you guys. Jeez. Yeah, maybe get others like some other time frame. I think like if you go maybe like 2 weeks out or something, it will be probably a little better. 18, yeah, that's usually third week is I think it's a monthly, end of monthly, so that gets a little bit more volume. So if you go do sell puts 105 and buy 100 198, that's not bad actually. Low though, you'll be good. It will be exercised, but if it goes you can get some profit, but let's see. What the heck, wasn't it Baba like 71? Okay, 68. So we opened up choppy. Yes, he is good. Look at docu. Shit, I think I sold my docu yesterday, man. This is also right above mm, 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 mm. Okay, nice. Let's look at Tom. Yeah, it was like that, but if you look at the old trend line, it's about to break, seems like. So we may get like 20s or something. Yeah, 27 is also not bad. I think you have enough time, like 12, 15. So I don't think that's that bad. Ashley, yeah, I think that's pretty decent. Cool. Well, congrats, Ashley. Let's see if that pans out. Yeah, I'm not selling right now. I'll hold it for a few days. So let's see. Yeah, lot of. Do I have that here? Shit, I think I should. Square is 84. Okay, let's do it down. All right. What's going on? TR. Look at that zoom, right? Right at 100 days. Wow, how perfectly bounce of 100 day actually. And it actually did not have that. Oh wow. So it was during 68 when it just bounced off 100 days, but oh my god, that was beautifully set up. Yeah, a lot of times you got to look at this moving averages, right? A lot of times you would say like it never come, it does. Man, that was perfect bounce of 100 days right at 65. Hmm. So what's happening with our Tilray? Tilray. Oh wow, wow, what a dump! Look at that. It's pretty much coming to back to where it was. Well, it was at 4, but oh wow, that was a big dump. Literally from 12. Oh man, if somebody get the short, it's definitely coming to the 100 day. Oh man, PDD. So let's look at some PDD. Oh wow, yeah, I did posted that chart in a swing trade right at this one. So we did it hold it and so today. Oh, was it okay? Earnings. Oh wow, PDD was, man, that's beautiful. How's Baidu doing? Okay, still up from this level. AMD. See, right at 100 days. Boom. Cat, AMD said what drop? Cat and Momo. Yeah, Momo. I saw somebody was mentioning. Hmm. Seems like it's making kind of slanted head and shoulder too. See, left head, shoulder. Below this, slowly curling up too. Maybe we'll have earning run up, but it seems like last time's earning it sold off pretty bad. Yeah. Okay, last earning was not good, so I don't know if something changed, but it could be a short actually. I don't see any strength here for the call though. I see weakness. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Let's look at Tilray. Slowly curling up. Mm, yeah, it's above the VWAP, so that's a good sign. Is there any like good? How is Fastly doing? Oh wow, Fastly is running. Is the Fastly is the strongest today? Okay, yeah, that's good. This is great for the iron condor, right? Goes up, then goes down, just sideways, sideways. You just collect premium. Still holding that label, but overall the market is really iffy. Look at this crowd slowly creeping up. So right at 32. I think it's going for 50. 37. So that was a very key area actually. 27. T-Doc. T-Doc, T-Doc, T-Doc. I have shares of T-Doc. This is not going anywhere and looks like it did open right in this zone. So if it hold that, we going up, we going probably like 209. It's a good time to add actually still. So we are at like June level. So it went up huge, but we are still not June, but yeah. So we are right around like April. So we are at like April level. This is great time to add actually for long term. I may add some more. I added a few yesterday. Stocks. We can even take options like leaps or maybe 3 4 months out. Healthcare is needed, man, whether it's COVID or not. People get sick. So yeah, I think it's a good time. A lot of people want to add it here, but you gotta add it here, man. Look at PayPal. PayPal's going there too. Down, Crowd, Shop, Melee, Zoom. Somebody said. Okay. Nice. Look at this label, right? This 118 label was from literally from July. Then we had it August, and so a lot of these labels, like it holds a lot of times, a lot of. So what else going? Oh, DKNG has ER tomorrow. I didn't knew that. Oh wow, NIO is yes. Seems like it's JD and Facebook. Yeah, it's kind of coming to the same breakout point, looks like. So if it hold that support, that's good. If not, it will probably go down. They have earning, so I wouldn't really play earning though. So earning is what tomorrow? 16. So yeah, 12. It's a Monday, I guess, right? Yeah. I wouldn't play earning. It just earning is hit or miss. What happened to last earning? Okay, last earning was really good, I guess, and it literally went from 65 to 85. So you can literally, if the earning is as great as last, you can get after earning. But yeah, gotta be careful. Expectation gonna be high, and if it does not, then Facebook dumping. I want Facebook dump. I don't have any position, but I would be happy if it goes like 68, 70s. Like if it goes 70, I mean 10 long. But yeah, it's kind of range bound. Yeah, there's some support right around here. Look at this. This was a previous resistance. This week was acting as a resistance, and it was support too. So right in the key area actually. So there's a mini. The major is right here, but there's some 78, 80. I would say 78. Yeah, 70. Right around that area. So it's kind of rejecting there. I would love to get a bounce back. This will be good. 45 will be so good. I can add a lot. Okay. Why is it out of focus? So DKNG and lows, I'm gonna look at those. Also, if you guys are new and have not subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe. So I made some video about fibs yesterday, so check it out. Try fibs, try fibs, and I think few people commented. Yeah, DKNG is literally in range bound, this range. So anything upside, I want it to go above 44.68, 44.45, right? That's what I'm looking for. Right now, it's in this range. So let's see how it holds. So it's right in the range bound. Nothing long or short, I would say. Above this will be really good. We can literally go to 47, then up once we do that. But right now, COVID canceling a lot of games and whatnot, so not good for them. Other thing is earnings. So earning is, when is earning? 12. So is it today's after hour? Okay, be careful about that. You can have a big dump or a big up too. Earnings always hit or miss. And lows 1 hour. I think it's lows. I don't know if you're talking about this. You can make it, but really ugly though. Send me a chart. I don't know, but I don't see a very clean one. Maybe. I don't know. This. Yeah. Very hard to tell. Good support around this level though. Look at that, 152 from the previous level. Good support. Probably 13. If it goes 13, I'll get out. 113. Yeah, 1350 area. Yeah. See, there's Even if it's green, there's literally no volume. It's we already like not much, half an hour, but really less volume today, right? So 292, so that's a good, so a lot of interest dying down, so hopefully it will keep dying and people not gonna buy and sell. So if it goes 105 something, that would be good, but let's see. Apple is literally like doing nothing. D-Dog, I do have D-Dog. I wanted to run D-Dog. Yeah, if you guys were in yesterday's live, I was talking about D-Dog, right? Like right at 80, 81, get in. I got in few. I have options, so I think I got 80, 85, way over money, but I got 3 weeks out, so I'm not at max profit, but that's good. I added shares too. Hmm. So sharp is good, thumb is good, D-Dog is good. T-Dog is 80, 85, nice. Okay. Nice, Michelle. Hopefully that will pay up. Okay, okay. So what else? What else going on? What time? Oh wow. So Fastly is a runner today somehow. I don't know. Was there any news? They don't even have an earning. So Fastly above 76 will be good. Put on, put on, put on, put on. Okay, yeah, put on is right there. 11. Okay. Our NIO is 46. Jesus Christ. Oh wow. Wow. Look at that. Right breakthrough that all-time high. That holding 44. Yeah. Looks good. Man. When this thing's gonna stop? This volume is probably already like 41 million. 5 minutes. Way above VWAP. See, I like to get in this point, right? If you are scalping, get in right here. Break of intraday high, 45.56. Right now is 90. That's a 40 cents. Yeah, 46. Jesus Christ, this is like ridiculous. 50. See, when you get in, think about this breakout, right? When you get in, you put your stop light, maybe VWAP, right? 45. You got in at 45.50, 45. That's about $50. You lose $50, get out, right? It may come back again. Then look for other opportunities. So that way you don't lose a lot. A lot of people's like, okay, it's going down. It's gonna come up, and you just keep holding, and you sell it right here. Like, okay, you're like 92% down, right? The thing is, like, it can go up, down, it can do anything, so nobody knows exactly. But the thing is, like, you need to have your stop. When you got in right here, cause you think it broke the intraday high above the VWAP, volume increasing. It's pretty much all the good sign, right? Now, um, at the end of the day, nobody knows, it may dump. You can have a news, people didn't like the Powell news or whatever it could be, right? Then what you do, you got in here, you put your stop loss, maybe this one, but this one is a VWAP, so that's a good one. So 45, 10, or even 45, right? Even number if it goes below 45. That sounds pretty good, and you only risking up like $50 in a contract. So yeah. Yeah, I know. How's Python doing? So look at that, this one too, right? Intraday break, right? It broke through 110, and you could have got in. That's a you could quick scalp, right? So above VWAP, volume increasing, the same thing pretty much. No, yes, you're doing good. Oh man, Fastly, look at that. Look at that. Fastly, that was my key level 76, and boom. Look at that. Once you break that key level, it just runs. Man, look at SC. Perfect time to get in at 50. Uh, this guy's never. So whenever it's keep adding it, whenever your portfolio red, average down, add it. That's how you win the game. Troy, you're funny. So what we have? Yeah, I think all the value is kind of slaughtered. Yeah, Boeing is way 80s from 90s, not bad. But what was the other one? What I was looking for was Oh man, that sucks. What's green? It'll come down. Apple is going up slowly. So let me see. So what's going on? What's going on? Apple is right around like 1920. Yeah, Fastly was like a good move. And looks like Zoom too. Yeah. So what else we have? Where's Baba standing right now? Okay, Baba kind of green to red. As long as it's hold this level, should be fine. But slowly, tech is recovering. Like slowly, not much, but like a percent or two every day. Mm, mm, there we go. That's good. CDC. BA. Yes, okay. Space. All right. So what's going on? What's okay? Okay. Fastly. Yeah, true. Yeah. Yeah. Kinda. Okay, my rationals why it's gonna drop is think about it. Like I think I talked yesterday. I was there, but I think Ashley you're not there, so I can kind of talk about it. So think about it, right? So why AXP bumped up was because of the news like the COVID vaccine, right? And why AXP went down so much was so MX has mostly MX cater to business professionals, so basically corporation, big companies as well as kind of people with a lot of money, rich traveler, right? So they got a lot of perks and whatnot. So that's why it dropped. And if you look at the numbers, the business and luxury travel is still down 90%. So that numbers is really, really down 90%. And it's gonna come back, but think about it. Even if there's a vaccine, first thing is vaccine is not there. It was just the preliminary data, and they need to get approval, which is gonna take a couple months. and after that they need to produce, so to get the widespread. So a lot of people will not travel, and it's probably gonna be maybe summer of 2021. um, hopefully if that happens, right? That's still almost like a 8 9 month there, right? So think about it, like this news, it popped up almost 25 27%. Will their revenue pop up 25%? Probably not, right? So it's gonna take time, they're gonna take heat, it's gonna, so that's why, I mean, it was just way too quick. And if you look at the history, that's what happened. This was in when it was 89, exactly same. If you can pretty much compare it, right? So this was in May, when the vaccine news was kind of coming, like, which was not kind of fake news or whatever you want to call it, but exactly same thing happened. It went up to the top of 114 115, it reached up to 115, then it slowly, he had some green days of course, but it kind of went back, then it came back too, but then it slowly came down. So it may not come right here, but I definitely see it will probably go like 95 96, around that. It's probably gonna take couple weeks or not. Look at that, it was kind of up, then now it down, so it does that. But 1 2 3 4 5, so I would say at least take like a week. If so, basically what my idea is, I have like 3 or 4 weeks out, and if within a week it doesn't show any downward trend, it just kind of go creep up or whatever, I'm out. Like even if it's like, even if it stays same price or a little bit down, but if it goes down, then that's what uh, my thesis is for getting in. But yeah, do your own thesis or whatever. But XPEV, that's the other one, right? Oh wow. So this is also running for news. Oh wow, from November it went up to 22 to 30. Oh Jesus Christ. So this is a newly, see, that would have been good, a good all-time high break of 23. Jesus Christ, it's up like 15% today. Yeah, that was like all-time high breakout right there. Yeah, a lot of times all the sector they do together. Oh no, yeah. What the heck? What is that? Put on interactive BMW. I don't know what that is, but some other exchange probably. Oh, it's a Mexico looks like. Yeah, I'd be so happy if it just range bound between this. So with that, was it Beyonce or somebody? Yeah, with the Puton news, the IV was so high. That's when I sold it. So I sold 10 of those, and I got like $1,000 credit. And as long as it's open 90 above, which I think it's not gonna drop 90 tomorrow, and also if it's, as long as below 25, which I highly doubt, it's going like 3.95, so probably not 25, I will be fine. So let's see how that goes tomorrow. Yeah, I want that. That would be a good play. AMD. Yeah, AMD slowly curling up. It hit this downtrend, act as a, yeah. Pretty calm day. I think like Powell gonna speak, so it may kind of bring up and down. Be careful with that. But other than that, seems like a pretty decent calm day. Nothing exciting. What's the volume leader today? Okay, let me see. Yeah, who's the volume leader? Yeah, XPV is getting a lot of volume, and PDD, which are both 20% up. I wouldn't hold any earnings. Like, I really don't play much earning, but it's just a gamble most of the time. You can get lucky sometimes, and you can get very, very lucky sometimes, but literally, I would not play earnings. Jesus Christ, it was 130. Yeah, I don't play. Last time's earning did well. I don't know how this time, but yeah, I don't really play earning. Oh wow, carbonized to. This is looking good. Look at that. That would have been so good.